What's going on, my friend? Garrett here. In today's video, what I'm going to do is reveal some of the biggest reasons people struggle to make sales and consistent income with affiliate marketing. So if you're excited to learn that, be sure to click the like button below. It does something with the YouTube algorithm that helps spread this video and show it to other people to help them overcome these mistakes as well, so we can all help each other make more money and achieve the results we want. Also, if you're brand new to my channel and you never want to miss out on my latest systematic step-by-step training videos on how to create an income online with affiliate marketing, be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always notified on my latest videos. But without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right in. So when it comes to succeeding with affiliate marketing, a lot of people go wrong for the few similar mistakes. And they're the same mistakes that I made when I first got started with affiliate marketing about 5 years ago. And the very first thing that I see most people go wrong on is when they go and they find an affiliate product to promote, whether they go to a site like ClickBank, JVZoo, or they join an independent affiliate program. One of the biggest things that they go wrong on is they promote a sales page or a product that isn't converting. And what I mean by that is if you want to make sales with affiliate marketing, you need to be promoting a sales page that converts people when they land on it. When you send someone to your affiliate link and they check out the sales page explaining the benefits and the features of the product you're promoting, if that sales page does not do a good job of selling the visitor on buying, then you're gonna struggle to make sales no matter how many people you get to see that sales page. So the very first thing is you want to make sure you're promoting something that is high converting. And how do you do this? One of the simplest ways to do that is you can actually go to, again, if you're promoting on ClickBank, if you're promoting on JVZoo, Warrior Plus, whatever site you're actually using to find the affiliate products you're promoting, you can actually look at the statistics of that product and you can see how many people have actually, or how many sales that product actually has. And if it has, at least a couple hundred, you can ensure that at least some people are making sales with it. Okay, you don't want to promote a product on ClickBank, for example, that only has 5 sales, because that's showing you that people are not actually making sales with it. So if you go and spend time promoting that, you're going to struggle to really make the sales you want. So that's the first key, is you want to find something that's high converting. Another way you can do that is to look at, are other people promoting this product successfully? Go to Facebook, go to YouTube, research the name of that product and see, are people looking like they're making money with it? Are people, researching that product? And if there's a good amount of traffic and people are actually making sales, again, you can promote that with confidence because there's probably a good sales process in place. Now, the next key, assuming you have something that's high converting, the next problem most people have is they're not getting people to know, like, and trust them. So when it comes to making consistent affiliate marketing sales, if we look at the end result, which is to make as many affiliate marketing sales as possible so you can make as much money as possible and achieve your dreams, maybe quit a job. If we work from the end result, the end goal backwards, we have to realize we need to be making affiliate marketing sales. And you have to ask yourself, what gets people to buy affiliate products? And what you will come to realize is the thing that gets people to buy is getting them to know, like, and trust you. People buy from people. They don't like buying from random, unknown sources online. When's the last time that you just went to a random link online and you bought from that random link, right? Probably not often. Chances are you did your research, you came across a video or a blog post of someone, a person that you resonated with, that you came to know, you came to like, and you came to trust them, and then you bought through their link. Well, that's what you want to do as well. A lot of people that I see where they go wrong, they'll promote an affiliate product, let's say in a Facebook group, and they make a post, and maybe it's a really good sales message. It gets people, their curiosity piqued to learn more about the product that they're actually promoting. but the profile that they're actually making that post from is maybe with a profile picture that's a dog or a tree or a motivational quote. The issue is people are not going to come to know, like, and trust a random picture of a dog, right? So if your profile that you're promoting the products on is looking spammy or not professional or not legit, they're going to correlate that with the product. So you want to make sure your profile that you're promoting on or your YouTube channel looks professional and gets people to know, like, and trust you, because if they know, like, and trust you, they'll come to know, like, and trust the product, and your sales will flow a lot easier. And then the last major issue I see that people have when it comes to making consistent sales is they don't stay consistent. What you have to realize is, again, once we find a high converting product, once we get people to know, like, and trust you, the thing that's going to get people to buy is realizing that most people will not hit a sales page and buy instantly. Only about 1 or 2% out of 100 are actually going to buy on the spot. So what you have to realize is that's leaving 98 people that you can still make sales with. And how do we do this? What you want to realize is it can take up to 7 to 12 exposures for someone to buy. So if you're just going out there and you're making one post on Facebook, or you're making only, a couple posts on Instagram, and you're not making sales, the reason is that person has not seen that product enough times. There's a principle in psychology called the mere exposure effect. And what it states is that someone will come to like something the more times they get exposed to that, right? So you want to realize that you want to think a little bit more long term, and you want to realize that if you're only posting once or twice a week or a month, it's not enough to get people to see it enough to actually want to buy it. So you want to increase the amount of times you're posting, increase the amount of times you're exposing and following up with people, and that's going to dramatically increase your sales. So I hope you enjoyed learning some of the major mistakes and pitfalls people make when it comes to promoting an affiliate product online. If you got value, be sure to click the like button, again, to spread this video and let me know to make more. Also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on my latest tangible, step-by-step, systematic training videos. And last but not least, if you want to learn my #1 affiliate marketing system that has 5 built-in income streams that pays you 100% commissions, and it trains you from A to Z how to really do this properly, click the first link below and check that out. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.